Hello, so today I'm going to show you how to use Nearpod as a teacher. So basically you log into your account on Nearpod and you can use it within your classroom. So to begin, you're going to want to open up a tab. You can use Safari, Google Chrome, Firefox, whatever you prefer, and type in here nearpod.com. So it'll pull up this screen once it loads here, and it will say students join a lesson and they enter a code, teachers sign up for free or log in, administrators button. So we're going to do teachers sign up for free. And then you obviously choose your role, so teacher, and then you're going to enter in your information. So like over here, so you're going to type in your name, last name, school email, password, and mark that you're not a robot. But I have already created an account, so I can show you how to use this resource. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in here real quick. Okay, so I quickly just signed in, and this is your home page. So you can, once you create your new account, these will all be up here where you can click on so you can play with the demo, explore resources, build and edit, and engage students. So those will all be available for you to access. And then this is your My Lessons page. So this is again your home page that will pop up. So if you create lessons, they will pop up here. You can also search lessons. So say we are talking about decimals. I'm going to search it. Oh, I don't have any lessons for decimals. Now, if I want to find a lesson with decimals that's already been created, so I don't have to create it, I can go over here and click on Nearpod Library, type in decimals, and all of these will pop up. You can actually filter over here into lessons, videos, activities. You can click a standard or state. You can, okay, yeah. You can click a subject, so mathematics. You can click a grade, so I'm going to do 5th, 6th, 7th, or 8th. And then, yes. And so over here, it comes up with 8th grade and all of the activities, videos, or lessons that are already on Nearpod. So here's a Khan Academy video. Here's a Convert Fractions to Decimals video. So let's see here. That's scientific notation, irrational numbers. So we're just going to click on this and it will pop up here. And then you can preview it once it loads. So preview, so it kind of tells you teacher materials and the prep work that you're going to have to do. And it has all these slides in the lesson already built in for you. It's awesome. And then you can also engage your students so they can add, once you add it to your lessons. So down here you click add to my lessons. So it says adding, lesson successfully added. So now I'm going to click on show in my lessons. And now, as a teacher, you can decide if you want it to be live participation. So this would be like if you're teaching the lesson live, or you can also choose student paced. So this could be more, you could use student paced more for like the activity version, where if you want the students to do an activity as like their homework assignment, you can do it student paced. Or if I'm teaching this lesson live, I'm going to do live participation. So I'm going to click this. And then it's going to give me a code, and I can share this code with my students. They can log in. You can copy the link, email it, send it in your Google Classroom, and Remind, Microsoft Teams, however you would like. And now it is live, and so this is what my computer looks like. and then students will pop up. As you can see, there's no students in here, but yeah, and then you can easily click on a blank whiteboard, and it'll pop this up so you can write on it like this. Um, there's highlighting, and then there's also you can text. Whoops, too many L's in there. And then obviously there is the eraser. So I'm going to go ahead and close the whiteboard. But as you go, so here's the teacher materials and presentations. So this is the essential question where you start today's lesson and no on. So this is where the students can get interact or engaged into this lesson. Is you have this question, and on their end they will click what it is. So this is what it looks like for the student. Now as a teacher, once the students answer, I will be able to see how many answered with I don't know anything, I know a lot, I know a little, or no answer. So that's like really cool that you get to see it live. And there's you can also click hide student names, so no student names will pop up, which is very useful as well. So I'm going to go back and leave this session, so it'll end it, but then it is popped up right here. And again, you can click live participation or student paste. Another thing is there was a reports button. So I can actually search the reports and click on any of these. So these are slides or assignments that I've already posted. I can click on the session, edit, yes, and there'll be reports on the lesson after the lesson is completed. Obviously, no students have completed any of these lessons or activities, so I don't have any reports to show you. But that is a little bit how Nearpod works. It's a great resource to use for lessons and activities, in addition to what you already have planned. And another amazing feature that you can do on Nearpod is click this folder, and you can organize everything. So that's how to use Nearpod as a teacher.